Welcome to 46th session of Advanced Financial Management, 5th semester BBA of Bangalore University. In this session, let us discuss the concept of operating cycle. Recap of previous session. In the previous session, we discussed estimating working capital needs. Now let us discuss a concepts of operating cycle. The cycle starts with the purchase of raw material and other resources and ends with the realization of cash from the sale of finished goods. It involves purchase of raw materials and stores, its conversion into stock of finished goods through work in process with progressive increment of labor and service costs, conversion of finished stock into sales, debtors and receivables, realization of cash, and this cycle continues again from cash to purchase of raw material and so on. See, here is a cycle of operating. Cash is turned into raw material and wages and expenses, which will turn into stock. After that, stock is taken into work in progress. From work in progress, finished goods or service is made. Then the sale of that finished goods is made. If we are selling it on credit basis, then debtors. After that, again cash. This is what the concept of operating cycle. Thank you.